Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making gobi manchurian and I'm really excited to share the recipe with you guys. So let's begin. In a utensil, take some corn flour, add some besan powder, that is chana dal powder, coriander powder, some pepper, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and mix it nicely before adding some water and making a thick paste out of it. Ensure that while you are mixing it, there are no lumps remaining. It needs to be a thick and smooth paste, not very watery. I've cut cauliflower into small pieces, so add all of those pieces and mix it nicely. If you find the batter to be watery, add some more besan or corn flour as per the proportion that you like. As you guys remember, I will not be mentioning any specific quantities for the ingredients that I'm using in the recipe because I purely believe the quantity completely depends on our taste. We just have to experiment so that we love and enjoy cooking. Let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes. In a pan or in any non-stick utensil that you like, add adequate quantity of oil. Just ensure the quantity of oil that you take should be able to soak in the cauliflower pieces so that it fries nicely. This needs to be deep fried. So I'm adding it one by one, and in the first round I'm not putting a lot of cauliflowers because first I want to try and see how many can actually be fried nicely. In the next go you can add a little more as and when you start feeling a little more comfortable about frying. Keep mixing it occasionally and wait for it to turn a little golden brown. So this is how it should look like. The layer of the batter should be a little thicker. Now I'm using the same oil but I'm reducing the quantity. So these are long sliced chilies and garlic. You can finely chop them as well. Mix it well. Let it turn a little golden brown. Now I'm adding onion. Again mix it nicely. Let the onion cook. Now I have added some ginger garlic paste. Basically it needs to stay crispy. I'm adding a little more oil because somehow I feel it's become very dry. Now I've added long sliced green bell peppers, that is capsicum. Again mixing it. Pepper, red chili sauce, green chili sauce, soya sauce. These sauces already have some salt in them, so when you add salt, ensure that you add very less quantity. I'm mixing some corn flour powder in water and then pouring this into the pan to make it slightly into a thicker gravy. Now add the fried cauliflower Just ensure you add only the quantity that is required. Don't add a lot of it. So presenting gobi manchurian that I tried making, it's a very good dish. Please do try and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please do like, share and subscribe my pages. Thank you so much. Bye bye.